Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something sweet and tropical in store for you. Yes, you guessed it, we're diving deep into the world of pineapples. Pineapples are not just delicious, they're also packed with surprises. In this video, we're going to uncover some amazing facts, share mouth-watering recipes, reveal why pineapples should be your next food obsession, and take you on a journey to the heart of this exotic fruit. So, sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on a pineapple adventure that will leave you craving this tropical delight like never before. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our delectable food explorations. Now, let's get started. Pineapple fun facts. Alright, let's kick things off with some fascinating pineapple facts that you probably didn't know. Did you know that pineapples are not actually apples, nor do they grow on pine trees? Find out where they really come from. Pineapples were once a symbol of wealth and luxury. We'll tell you why. Pineapples can be used in more ways than you can imagine. We'll explore some unexpected uses. Pineapple recipes. Now that we're all pineapple experts, let's get to the good stuff, the recipes. Today, we've got 2 scrumptious pineapple recipes for you to try at home. These are guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. First up, we have these mouth-watering pineapple and chicken skewers. The perfect combination of sweet and savory. A tropical pineapple upside-down cake that will transport you to a sandy beach with just one bite. Health benefits of pineapple. But wait, there's more. Pineapples aren't just delicious, they're incredibly healthy too. We'll break down the impressive health benefits of pineapples, from boosting your immune system to aiding digestion. You won't want to miss this. How to choose and cut a pineapple. Before you rush to the store to buy some juicy pineapples, you'll want to know how to pick the perfect one and how to cut it like a pro. We'll show you the secret to selecting a ripe pineapple and share step-by-step instructions on how to easily cut it, so you can enjoy this tropical delight hassle-free. Pineapple's a fruit that's not only delicious but also fascinating, versatile, and healthy. Thanks for joining us on this pineapple journey. Until next time, keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep smiling.